All right, hello, welcome back. We are doing numbers 41 and 42 of your Try 2 final review. All right, 40 says, we're doing 40 and 41, not 41 and 42. Number 40 says, in the diagram, triangle JKM is congruent to triangle MKL, and triangle MKL is congruent to triangle MJML. Draw the three similar right triangles, and we're going to figure out the things. So I'm going to label this triangle as is first. So the first thing they tell me is that MJ is 15. They also tell me that KL, this length here, is 16, and ML is 20. So this part here is 20. And we're trying to find MK, which is this one. So let's go ahead and put an X on that. So I'm going to start out by drawing my three right triangles. Again, we have this large one to begin with. I'm going to draw them all so they look the same. So that triangle is going to be, we have M in the corner, and then our long side we have L, and our short side we have J. Notice that along the red sides we have 15 on the short side, 20 on the long side. Now we have 16 on the hypotenuse, but it's not the whole thing, so I'm not going to write it. All right, our middle triangle, again we have our right angle, it's right here. We have K and L on the bottom, the long side, and then we have M on top. Again, KL is 16, and our missing side is X, MK. And then we have our little itty bitty triangle. I got weirdly Irish for a second there. So we're going to draw a little triangle. Again, our right angle is here at K. Our short side is J. Our long side is M, not K. And I notice in the hypotenuse we have 15, so 15 is going to go here. Oh, and the long side is X. Now notice for my first two, we have 20 and 16 in the same spot. Then we also have 15 and X. So we're going to actually end up using those two. We don't really care about the last one. So I'm going to do 15 over X equals 20 over 16. We're going to go ahead and cross multiply. So I have 20X equals 15 times 16. When I multiply 15 times 16, I get 240. So we have 20X equals 240, and then we're going to divide both sides by 20, and when I divide by 20 I get X equals 12, and that is your final answer. Alright, we're doing the same thing for 41. What are the values of A and B? Oh man, we have to find 2 this time, but I think we should be able to do kind of one problem to solve it and then the Pythagorean theorem for the other one. So let's see. So first thing, we have this entire triangle, the big red one. Again, there's a right angle here. For my short, we have a right angle in the corner. For my short side, it's going to be our B value. And then notice your hypotenuse is this whole length, 16 plus 4, which equals 20. Now we have this little guy here, the medium one. Again, for my medium one, we have a right angle. We have A on the short side. We have 16 on the long side, but we don't have that hypotenuse. And my last one is going to be this little green one. Again, we have a right angle on our short side, I believe. No, on our short side we have 4, and our long side we have A. It's kind of hard to tell in my picture, but that's how it should go. Notice that we have A and 4, so we have A over 4. Equals 16 over A. And we don't really need that big triangle up top. Again, we're going to cross multiply, so we're going to do A times A, which gives me A squared, equals 4 times 16, which is 64. So we have A squared equals 64. We're going to take the square root of both sides, and we get A equals 8. Now notice we know this part here is 8. This one equals 8. And we need to find B, which is this side here technically. So we can do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. In this case, this weird B letter is already C. This one will be our B in our equation. This one will be A. So we're going to do 4 squared plus 8 squared equals B squared. When I square 4, I get 16. If I square 8, I get 64. All of it equals B squared. 16 plus 64 equals 80. So we have 80 equals b squared. My last step is to square root both sides. So the square root of 80. And when we do that, we get b equals 8.9. And that should be your final answer. All right, thank you for watching. Good luck on your final.